You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's change your TikTok video's cover photo or thumbnail after posting. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Find the video you want to edit and tap on it to open. Now tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Edit Video. This will take you to the editing screen. Look for the option labeled Cover or select Cover. It's usually at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap on it. You will now see a timeline of your video. Scroll through to find the frame you want as your new thumbnail. You can also choose an image from your phone's gallery by tapping the gallery icon if available. Once you've selected the perfect frame, tap Save or the check mark, then tap Next in the top right, and finally tap Save again to update your video. The new thumbnail will now appear on your profile and in the feed. Remember, you can only change the cover for videos you have posted yourself. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.